Are you too struggling to edit text across frames? Then you are on the right track. Let's explore the multi-edit tool in Figma. Watch the entire video for a bonus tip. Select the text you want to edit across the frames using the Select Matching Layers button. It will select all matching text layers. Hit Enter or Return on Mac. It will enable text editing across the frames. Type your new text and click outside. Your text is updated everywhere. It's time for the bonus perk. You can even select an object with a matching name and position across multiple frames using the same button. It will select all matching objects, even if it is visually not matching. Now, go ahead and edit all selected shapes simultaneously. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more such Figma tips and techniques. Subscribe to the UX Mate YouTube channel.